In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to recover your Hostinger account if you forgot your password. If you've been locked out of your account and can't access your hosting, websites, or billing dashboard, don't worry. The recovery process is simple and only takes a few minutes. I'll walk you through it step by step so you can regain access quickly and securely. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical hosting tutorials. All right, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is go to the official Hostinger login page. Open your browser and visit hostinger.com/login. This will take you directly to the Hostinger sign-in page where you normally enter your email and password. Since you forgot your password, look just below the login fields and click on the Forgot Password link. This is the option that allows you to reset your password securely. Next, you'll be taken to the password recovery page. Here, you need to enter the email address you used when creating your Hostinger account. Make sure you type the correct email address. This must be the same email connected to your hosting account, otherwise you won't receive the reset instructions. After entering your email, click on the Send Link button. Hostinger will now send a password reset email to your inbox. This usually arrives within a few seconds, but sometimes it can take a couple of minutes depending on your email provider. Now, open your email inbox and look for a message titled Reset Your Hostinger Account Password. Open that email, and inside you'll see a Reset Password button. Click on that button to continue. If you don't see the email in your main inbox, make sure to check your spam, promotions, or updates folders. Sometimes automated emails can end up there. You can also use the search bar in your email and type Hostinger to quickly find the message. Once you click the Reset Password button, you'll be redirected to a secure password reset page on Hostinger's website. Here, you'll need to create a new password. When creating your new password, make sure it's strong and secure. Use a combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using simple passwords like your name or common words. A strong password helps keep your hosting account and website safe. Enter your new password in the first field, then confirm it by typing it again in the second field. Double-check to make sure both entries match exactly. After that, click on the Reset Password button to confirm the change. Once your password has been successfully updated, you can return to the Hostinger login page. Enter your email address and then type in your new password. Click Login, and you should now have full access to your Hostinger account again. And that's it! Your Hostinger account has been successfully recovered. If you ever forget your password again, just follow these same steps and you'll be back inside your account in minutes. Keeping your login details stored securely in a password manager can also help prevent this issue in the future. I hope this tutorial helped you recover your Hostinger account quickly and easily. If it did, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more web hosting and website management tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.